So we are here at the Best Western in Yucca Valley. It's also called Best Western Joshua Tree, Yucca Valley. We are about 8 minutes away from the west entrance to Joshua Tree National Park. I want to show you our room. This is room number 327. This is a suite at the Best Western. And as you can see, king size bed, very comfortable bed. One of the most comfortable that we've had in a while. Pillows are comfortable too, very quiet. Outside our window, if it wasn't quite so bright, we'd show you, but there is an actual Joshua tree, which is amazing. Again, like I said, very quiet room. We are on the top floor. I'll show you some of the amenities around here as well. So you have standard desk, and flat screen TV and dresser. So this is like the bedroom area. Let me show you into what makes it a suite. And we have our luggage cart blocking the closet area, but there is a closet and safe over here, and it looks like it is big enough for a laptop, which is amazing in modern times. And then you have the living room area. So there is a couch over here, and yes, that does fold out into a bed. So this would be a perfect room for a family to enjoy and to kind of set base for Joshua Tree National Park. What we enjoyed is that we are so close to the national park that we can go in the morning, come back. There is a pool here, so you can enjoy a pool. There is laundry facilities, and there's some of the best that we've found anywhere with traveling across America. They were quick and efficient, and only $1 for a wash and $1 for a dryer. So it was a great place to do our laundry, having been on the road for almost 2 weeks now. And then I'll show you the bathroom real quick. I need to mention that there is a large refrigerator. This is bigger than most hotel refrigerators. Normally they're smaller. So this is really nice, very cold, so you can stock up on food there. There is a Walmart that is in Yucca Valley, so you could definitely stock up on groceries. And then obviously we've used the bathroom, but a nice big bathroom with a great pressure shower, bathtub, and plenty of space to stretch out all of your stuff while you are making base camp at Best Western Yucca Valley Joshua Tree. So once again, that has been room 327. Sorry, we've been in a lot of hotels lately, and we'd highly suggest the Best Western. Bye-bye. And this is the pool and the hot tub area. It is not heated, but I don't think that's going to be an issue here. All right, so that is the pool area. And a second building where they have more of extended stay rooms. And then this is the main building where we were with the suites in it.